In today's video, I'll teach you how to update RedBus app. So if you're facing some glitches in the RedBus application or if you want to access the latest feature, you'll have to update the RedBus app. In order to update it, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for RedBus. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for RedBus and tap on it. Now over here in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while. If you do not see the option for update over here, that means your application is already updated. But if you see the update option after you tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now all the bugs of the application will be fixed and you'll be able to access smoother performance and latest features. So that is how you update RedBus app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.